I'm ChefD and welcome to my home. This afternoon we're going to be creating some amazing pork back ribs. Everybody's favorite, summer, winter, fall, spring, you name it, we all love ribs. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way of making the perfect rib, perfect flavor, and of course we start with an amazing ingredient, our great Nutrafarms baby back ribs. So we're going to take them and we're going to cut them in half. So just turn it over on the side, cut it right down the bone. Now what I'd like to do is use a little bit of the steam whistle beer because it's all natural, it's got lots of flavor. Again, if you're not into beer and you want to use something else, you can actually use some root beer or some Coke if you want. We're going to add a little bit of some dried onions, probably about 2 tablespoons, a little bit of dried garlic. And the reason why we're using, again, dried herbs is that it's a long braising time. So you want all that great flavor to stay with it. So we're going to put our ribs into a Dutch oven. You don't have a Dutch oven, you have a roasting pan, you can use that. Now, I didn't season it with salt and pepper right now because we're going to use a barbecue sauce that has lots of flavor to it, and then we'll season it right at the end. So in it goes, 250 degrees, 3.5 hours, and it's perfectly braised. You're going to take it out and then I'll talk to you about that after it's done. So now we have our barbecue sauce. We're using the Chef Scotty's amazing, a friend of mine's barbecue sauce. You can use any barbecue sauce you like or make your own. We're just going to put this on our ribs. What you want to do at this point is put your barbecue sauce on, wrap each one of the ribs in saran wrap, put it in your refrigerator for 24 hours so the barbecue sauce has time to permeate the ribs, give it some great flavor. Absolutely fantastic. If you don't have any time like that, again, you can put the barbecue sauce over, and when you put it on the barbecue, make sure you cook it on low so that all that sugar doesn't burn on you. And we're going to put them on the barbecue about 15 minutes on low, which is about 300 degrees, and we're going to have some perfect eating in just a couple minutes. So if you want to know if your ribs are getting warm enough, you're going to see the moisture start coming out of the bones, and you know you have enough heat and the meat will be really nice and hot inside. Our ribs are going on the plate. We have some roasted potatoes to go with it, a match made in heaven, some amazing great ingredients again from our good friends at Nutrafarms. I'm Chef D. Join me in my home. For these recipes and more, check out the link below. Until next time, fall off the bone. Wow, that is so good.